Very good afternoon and a warm welcome once again to the Zara Cricket Cruiser 2024. We're talking to Team EMC today. We've done a great job at the semis and did beautifully. So congratulations guys on a very well played innings. All of you.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
So guys, you've been with the Zara. This is your second time with us. So what brings you back to Zara?
Yeah, this is the second year for us. So basically, as like everybody's saying, one thing is very common: the passion for cricket that brings us every time here. Everybody loves to bond together. This gives us a good platform to gelling together. It's the team bonding that matters. It's the cricket that matters. And then of course you are the common link to that. Every time we have this tournament here, everyone wants to be a part of it, so that we can play the cricket that we have a passion for and have a team bonding. And can have good fun.
Fabulous.
And not to forget the hospitality we are getting from man.
Definitely, that's always there.
Thank you so much. It's an absolute pleasure to have all of you. Absolute pleasure. So guys, you've answered me quite a few of my questions which I would otherwise throw at you. So Singapore is using a lot of grounds. You are all passionate cricketers. What's your opinion on that? Give me a few lines on that.
Well, it's sad, first of all, and we have so many aspiring cricketers up in Singapore. I can see them from under 14, 16, 19, all the way up. So the question would be, what's their career ahead? I mean, if they're aspiring for a cricket career, then what's it ahead? It's really sad, and it has to be looked on through in a different perspective. We have been trying to get a lot of things into SCA, but probably things are not getting implemented in a proper way, and we are a part of ICC. We should not forget that. We are one of the ICC members, and we are a voting member as well also. So we should have that confidence in our guys. And for me, what I think is that we should be playing more cricket outside Singapore than only in Singapore. If SCA gives scope, at least these young guys will get a scope at least to play in Southeast Asia, where they can show their talent, and we get scrutinized over there when we go and play against countries where we don't have, they don't have the talent, but they have nurtured the talent.
Right.
That's what my 2 cents would be like.
Lovely. And as a youngster, you tell me what's your experience like in because being at the this is a very different format you're playing. Plus, I think it's the first time you're playing with us because I relaxed rules this year. Good children like you in here. So tell us a little bit about your experience here.
It was really fun. Like how it's really like we don't get to meet tournaments like this all the time. It's really good. I could possibly learn. Wind up some things, and then it will probably help me in my long format, especially death over batting, which
Lovely. Guys, anything change formats this year? Like I said, we've got Premier Division players, we've got kits like this. So anything on that? But I know the formats have changed. A lot of you played games this time and otherwise. So what's your opinion on that? How do you think, Bobby? Say something to me. So the question is basically we've got Premier Division players. Yeah. So it's a change in format. Zara's never had Premier Division players. So what's your opinion on that? Guys who played, I think you feel there with me also. So guys, please answer this question. What do you feel?
My feeling is good. It's it calls for inclusion, and it is inclusion. So getting those premium players is going to raise up the bar for the tournament itself.
But how does it work for you guys as a team?
No, it's okay. As a team, we have played well and we have come through.
This kind of format, you can be a 11th batsman and can make 21. You can be a top order batsman and can make 0.
Yeah.
So it is. This is not a format.
Cricket, we don't mind playing against good competition.
Oh, fabulous.
Tomorrow, if you call the Indian testimony, we're going to get play with
Fabulous. So your wish might just come true. God. So basically cricket wins, right? Absolutely.
them. And above cricket, the spirit wins.
Yes.
Totally.
Ideas to enjoy.
Totally. And like I said, this is not the end. We will be back again in 25. Don't know what format. Format will change a little bit, I'm sure. But we will be back. More fun, more teams, more action. And thank you to AMC. So let's do a big high five on that.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thanks to you.
Bobby, out.
1, 2,
3, go. Hey! Thank you.
Before
Thank
we
you.
end.